So we're going to draw a Pokeball today. We're going to decorate it however you want, but I'm going to show you how to draw the traditional colors. What you're going to need is either a stencil that has different shapes of circles, or I found this here tape, roll of tape, Scotch tape, which will work perfect because it has two sizes of circles that I could use. So on your paper, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make the first size, which is a large circle. I'm going to trace this tape, roll of Scotch tape, which I said is perfect, but if you don't have a Scotch tape, just find something in your house. Two sizes of circles. So I'm going to go on the outside. The first is make a large circle. Then I'm going to draw a small circle. When I lift it up, you see it has two shapes of circles, which is perfect for this Pokeball. Okay, once you draw the large circle and you draw the small circle inside, I'm going to do a third one, and I'm going to freehand this circle, and I'm going to make it small right in the middle, just like that. Alright, so the next shape you're going to do is two lines, two parallel lines. So I'm going to get a straight edge. If you have a ruler or something, if not, you can freehand it, but do your best when you draw a straight line so your Pokeball will look great. Alright, first line, I'm going to draw from the outside of the circle to the inside here and stop. Pick up my pencil, go to the other side, and continue that line. Then I'm going to lower my ruler and make a parallel line straight across. Pick up your pencil, straight across. Okay, now the first color, I'm going to draw the traditional red and black, but you're going to get creative and draw your own designs. So what I do with mine, the first color I'm going to use is I'm going to color inside this one black. I'm going to show you how to make it look three-dimensional. So this was very easy because it's nothing but lines and shapes, a circle and two lines. Okay, so color this one black as well as this stripe. And the same with this one. Try to stay inside the lines as best as you can. Okay, now the top is going to be red. To make this look three-dimensional, I'm going to make the edge on the right. I'm going to make a small border, and I'm going to stop and go in like that. And then I'm going to color this black. Okay, then I'm going to color this side. I'm going to make a short line like that, go around the circle, small skinny border, and then go in. Okay, and then color that black. So this is how you make it look three-dimensional. Realistic. Alright, now you're going to get your red, or whatever color you're going to color your Pokeball. I'm coloring mine the traditional red. And everything is about shading when you make it look real. So you stay inside the lines as best as you can. Take your time. I'm going fast just for the sake of this video. But you take your time. And I'm going to make a highlight. So I'm going to leave a little white. The paper is going to be the highlight. So I'm going to make a shape like that and leave that white, this color of the paper, so it looks like it's highlights. And then the last part, I'm going to add some shadow on this side. So I'm going to get my pencil and I'm going to follow the contour of the circle. And I'm going to shade real light. You're not going to do it real dark. And follow the contour, the shape of the circle. And then what I'm going to do is get my finger. And when you blend, you rub real hard with your finger. And it's going to drag some of that red as well as the gray of the pencil. And it's going to blend it all and make it a shadow. Okay, and that's how you make it look three-dimensional. And the last step is going to be sitting like on a table. So I'm going to get my pencil and add some shadow down here, just to make it look like it's sitting on something, like on a table. And then blend it with your finger again, smear it. And that's how you make your Pokeball look three-dimensional. So get your color pencils or your crayons and color it whatever color you want. And hopefully you had fun drawing this Pokeball.